أولى لك فأولى ثم أولى لك فأولى أيحسب الإنسان أن يترك سدى. The human being assumed that he's just going to be created, he's going to be left without, just completely ignored, without a purpose. مهملا فلا يكلف ولا يجازي. He's not going to be compensated, he's not going to be made responsible. He's just going to be left just like that. You know, there's two words in the Quran like that, abath and suda. Abath, purposeless. Suda, you're just left alone, do whatever you want. Do whatever, you're free to do whatever you want. Human beings think they're going to be left like that. Alam yaku nutfatan? What does he think he is? He just, if you wanted to leave someone alone, he could have been left as a fluid. No, wasn't he himself a dirty fluid, nutfa, min mani yumna, from a kind of fluid that is dropped into the womb of a mother? ثُمَّ كَانَ عَلَقَةً. Then he turned into a clot of flesh. فَخَلَقَ. So then Allah created him. فَسَوَّى. And made him into this human being. Next time you see a drop of fluid, and imagine that I was this. Except the one I was is filthy and nobody wants to touch that. That's what I was. And he got created into a fully functional human being, and then he thinks he's just going to be left alone. So much work went into creating you, so much design, so much perfection, so much articulate, every fingertip, so much went into making you, you're just going to be left alone? Is that really how you think? This earth itself is like another womb. You come from one womb to another womb, and you have to be delivered from here to your final home, to your real life. Inna hadaynahu as-sabil. No doubt we guided him to a deep path. Imma shakiran wa imma kafuran. It's up to him though. Regardless, if he wants to be a grateful person, he wants to be a grateful one, or he wants to be an excessively ungrateful one. Inna a'tadna lil kafirina salasila wa aghlalan wa sa'iran. No doubt about it, we're the ones that have prepared for disbelievers and for the ungrateful chains and fetters. Fetters are these locks that you put around the neck, and they have cuffs, metal cuffs, and chains. So this is the image of a prisoner. وَسَعِيرًا. And fire. Now imagine, fire itself is bad enough. What burns a lot hotter temperatures than human beings? Metals. You got chains on, and they're in the fire. Don't they burn a lot hotter? SubhanAllah. أَغْلَالًا وَسَعِيرًا. إِنَّ الْأَبْرَارَ. He switches the subject. Enough warning. Now it's time to feel better. Inna al-abrara. Keep up with what Allah says about the righteous. No doubt the righteous, Allahumma ja'alna min al-abrar, yashrabuna min ka'sin. They're going to be drinking out of cups. Cups that are used for exotic drinks are called ka's. Aynan yashrabu biha ibadullah. A fluid or this spring of water from which the slaves of Allah are going to be drinking. Yufajjirunaha tafjira. They will be causing it to burst out anytime they want inside their homes. There are waterfalls, spots where you want a waterfall to happen in your home, and it's under your control. You just tap and so you just drink the thing and you turn. It's like a faucet, but it's a waterfall faucet. يُفَجِّرُونَهَا تَفْجِيرًا. They're making it burst.